Hello friends, in today's video, we are going to compare iPhone 14 Pro Max versus iPhone 13 Pro Max with full specifications like display, design, camera, performance, and price. And are going to know which is the best smartphone for you. So friends, please watch the entire video and let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Let's start with the display comparison. In a comparison of screen size, iPhone 14 Pro Max has a 6.7 inches screen, and the iPhone 13 Pro Max also has a 6.7 inches screen. If you look at the display type, both phones comes with an OLED display. In the resolution, both phones comes with a Full HD Plus resolution. iPhone 14 Pro Max has 460 pixels density, while the iPhone 13 Pro Max has 457 pixels. In the aspect ratio, both phones are equally comes with a 19.5:9 ratio. In a comparison of screen to body ratio, iPhone 14 Pro Max has 88.17%, and iPhone 13 Pro Max has 87.55%. In a refresh rate comparison, both phones supports up to 120 Hz higher refresh rate. iPhone 14 Pro Max and 13 Pro Max, both phones comes with a ceramic glass protection. Friends, let's make a design comparison between these two phones. Looking at these two phones' physical height, iPhone 14 Pro Max has 160.7 mm, while the iPhone 13 Pro Max has 160.8 mm. iPhone 14 Pro Max has 77.6 mm in the width, while the iPhone 13 Pro Max has 78.1 mm width. iPhone 14 Pro Max has 7.8 mm in the thickness, while the iPhone 13 Pro Max has 7.6 mm. Looking at these two phones' weight, iPhone 14 Pro Max has 240 grams, while the iPhone 13 Pro Max has 238 grams. If you look at the colors of these two phones, iPhone 14 Pro Max comes with 4 different colors, while the iPhone 13 Pro Max comes with 5 different colors. Friends, now let us compare about the camera and its features. iPhone 14 Pro Max has a triple camera setup, including a 48 megapixels primary lens with OIS support, 12 megapixels ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 12 megapixels telephoto lens. And the iPhone 13 Pro Max also has a triple camera setup, with a 12 megapixels primary lens with OIS support, 12 megapixels ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 12 megapixels telephoto lens. If you look at the video resolution of these phones, iPhone 14 Pro Max supports up to 4K resolution at 60 fps, and the iPhone 13 Pro Max also supports up to 4K resolution at 60 fps. In a comparison of front camera, iPhone 14 Pro Max comes with a 12 megapixel selfie camera, with a 4K video resolution at 60 fps, and the iPhone 13 Pro Max also comes with a 12 megapixel selfie camera, with a 4K video resolution at 60 fps. Now let's compare the hardware between these two phones. Looking at the processor of both phones, iPhone 14 Pro Max comes with an A16 Bionic chipset, whereas the iPhone 13 Pro Max comes with an A15 Bionic chipset. In a CPU comparison, iPhone 14 Pro Max supports up to hexa-core 3.46 GHz clock speed, while the iPhone 13 Pro Max supports up to hexa-core 3.23 GHz clock speed. In the GPU comparison, both phones comes with a 5-core GPU. Let's compare the operating system. iPhone 14 Pro Max comes with an iOS 16 operating system, while the iPhone 13 Pro Max comes with an iOS 15 operating system. Friends, let's compare the storage between these two phones. iPhone 14 Pro Max comes in 4 variants: 128GB, 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB storage, and the iPhone 13 Pro Max also comes in 4 variants: 128GB, 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB storage. Both these phones does not comes with the memory card slot. Friends, let's compare the battery between these two phones. The battery capacity in iPhone 14 Pro Max is 4323 mAh, whereas the iPhone 13 Pro Max has 4352 mAh. iPhone 14 Pro Max supports up to 27 watts fast charge, and iPhone 13 Pro Max also supports up to 27 watts fast charge. Now let's compare the rest of the connectivity and features in these phones. iPhone 14 Pro Max and iPhone 13 Pro Max comes with a Lightning port. Both these phones doesn't have a 3.5mm audio jack. Both these phones comes with a NFC support. The IR blaster is not even available on these two phones. Both these phones supports 5G network. Both these phones doesn't have a fingerprint sensor. iPhone 14 Pro Max comes with a Bluetooth 5.3 version, while the iPhone 13 Pro Max comes with a Bluetooth 5.0 version. Friends, let's take a look on the benchmark score of these two phones. In an Antutu benchmark score comparison, iPhone 14 Pro Max has scored 918,676, while the iPhone 13 Pro Max has scored 846,870. Now let's compare price. If you look at the iPhone 14 Pro Max, the 128GB variant is priced at 139,900 rupees, 256GB variant is priced at 149,900 rupees, 512GB variant is priced at 169,900 rupees, and 1TB variant is priced at 189,900 rupees. iPhone 13 Pro Max, the 128GB variant is priced at 129,900 rupees, 256GB variant is priced at 139,900 rupees, 512GB variant is priced at 159,900 rupees, and 1TB variant is priced at 179,900 rupees. Friends, please like this video and subscribe my channel for more smartphone comparison videos.